Yeah, Chris. We got Nathan here. Me. Tyler Chevy. And we got John here with his dirt bike. You're going to the track? What? Why not there? You're going through that? Not very deep. Can you see where it's ruddy? Tyler, you should go through that. I'm trying to hold on, but
slapped in the face.
let me out right here.
Jeez, man.
Is this truck broke? I think he broke his truck. I reverse. Do you not have? Try and get his truck to go forward.
Nothing but body torque.
No, transmission went out.
We'll have reverse.
Are you, go through the mud pit and reverse.
That is so good right now.
What's he gonna do? Well, shit.
Yay. How did that happen? I don't know.
Well, gonna have to work on a transmission, it looks like now.